Hello humans, Seyeren here, and if you're new, I like music, travel, and doing reviews too. So if that sounds like you, stay tuned. Guys, in today's video, I am going to be reviewing March's IPSY bag. And March is a special month because it is somebody's birthday month, and that's why this has taken a little bit longer to film than normal, and also because, you know, everything that's been happening in the world. I'm not gonna harp too much on, you know, the coronavirus and everything like that. I hope everybody's staying safe, you know, hope everybody has the, you know, necessities that they need. But anyways, I am here to entertain you through this crisis, so let's keep going. Okay, so the first product that I pulled out were these masks, and they are actually from Real Beauty, which if you have no idea about anything to do with Real Beauty, go ahead and look in my description below. I actually did a review on some Real Beauty products earlier this year. It's awesome. I actually ended up getting about $100 worth of free Real Beauty products, and they are specifically made for women and their hormones and how they change through their cycle. So go ahead and check them out, they're really awesome. But anyways, I got 2 masks by them, and me and my sister are planning on testing these out and reviewing them in another video, so I will let you guys know when we do that. Stay tuned, check it out on our sister channel, Feyer and Eyece. I will put the description in the box below. Lots of links for you guys to check out during this, you know, time where we're all quarantined and have nothing better to do than watch videos. So next up on the list, we are going to go into the Youth to the People. It is a superfood air whip moisture cream with kale, spinach, and hyaluronic acid. I love this stuff. Look at how cute the little jar is that it comes in. How cute is that? But it's really nice. It's really light, even though it's like cream based. And moisturizing. And you would think it would feel heavy because it's a cream-based moisturizer, but it actually feels really light on the face. It smells really clean and green, which I love that in skincare. So that is definitely a winner for me. I love this product. I've been using it for about a week now. And yeah, I would definitely suggest getting this if you're looking for a moisturizer. It doesn't bother me at all. It doesn't break me out. It doesn't irritate my skin. And the hyaluronic acid will help your face retain moisture if you have a moisture problem. So let's actually go into the bag. Those 2 products were on the outside of the bag because the bag wasn't big enough to hold all these products. Now go into the next product. Now this is a Scone Brow Wand Eyebrow Pencil in shade Peanut Butter. I am not gonna lie to you guys, I have no idea what I'm doing with an eyebrow pencil. I love that it is angled. I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but it's angled, so it makes it a little easier to draw the lines on. I still don't know what I'm doing though, so if any of you guys have any tips, any links to videos that could show me how to do my eyebrows, I would really appreciate that. Thankfully mine are dark enough that I don't really have to fill them in too much, and then it's good. What's up, Bill?
Oh,
How you doing?
hey. Are you almost done?
Almost, yeah. Why? Almost done.
I got done moving.
Okay.
Good. Talk about it. It's you.
It really does. Okay. That was my sister. She came to tell me that she's ready to hang out again. Okay, let's keep going. So I got this really pretty Shayna B Miami blush in shade Bellini. Look at the packaging. It's 2 little flamingos as a Floridian. I love that. And then the pan itself is 2 little flamingos. Look at how cute that is. Oh, I love it. Because I have a lot of pink blushes, so having like a peachier toned blush is something that I am all for, honey. Oh, I should have put this on first. Okay, so this is the Tarte Quench Hydrating Primer. It's Tarte C, if that's like one of their lines that they did. Now this is really moisturizing it feels like you're just putting like a water-based gel on your face, which is really nice when you have primer, because you don't want it to feel too heavy, but you want it, you know, to be able to have the foundation stick to it. And my foundation sticks really well to this, and it still feels hydrating. Primer, Tarte primers are always really good. I like their coconut quench one too. But let's move on to the next thing. This is Cake Naturally Luxe Beauty, the Curl Friend Totally to Die For Defining Curl Cream. It's frizz fighting, curl defining, and glossy silk styling. So I'm gonna put a good amount in my hand. It smells like the lemon verbena, I don't know how to pronounce that. The lemon verbena hand lotion that I got from IPSY once. It smells so good. It's like a Girl Scout lemon cookie. My hair smells amazing. It feels good. It rubs into the hair well without feeling too waxy. It does seem to define my curls pretty well. So yeah, I would definitely say this is worth buying. Like, for our last product, which might be one of my favorites that I got in this bag. It's a really cute pressed pigmented eyeshadow in shade Blushing Bronze by Naked Cosmetics. This is the really simple packaging, you know, it's nothing too flashy, but the color is so pretty. Like, look at that. It's just, you know, a nice brown. I really like it. I think it's really pretty. I think it would be a really smart eyeshadow to have. My eyes just spazzed out for a second. I think it would be a really smart eyeshadow to have if you're just looking for something quick to throw on your eyes. I know this is looking like a train wreck right now, but just give me a second. That's what the power of blending is for. Give me a second, I'm gonna blend this out. It's gonna look way better. Just bear with me. Just bear with me. One moment. I needed to find my blendy brush. And guys, just so you know, I'm not doing, oh, I have a mirror. What am I doing? Shout out to Shane Dawson. I love this mirror. I don't know why I was trying to do it into the actual camera, but this works so much better. Oh my god, some right down here. Damn it. Oh no, this is not going as planned. Well, I guess now you can see it can work as like a highlighter or a bronzer if you need it to. We are not strong right now as a unit, even though it's just me. Oh god, I got it all over my eye. Okay, we're gonna have, I'll be right back. Okay guys, we're back. And don't I look so much better now? Okay, so I had a little bit of a malfunction there with the eyeshadow. Be careful if you do get that eyeshadow because there is a little bit of fallout. I got some on the bridge of my nose, underneath my eye, and I didn't wipe it away quick enough and it blended into my skin, so I had to go off camera, rub that out, and I just put the rest of my eyeshadow look together. I threw on a little bit of, this didn't come in the bag, it came in a bag I've had before, but it's K Voss lip treatment in raspberry. This is my favorite product I've ever gotten from IPSY because it is a lip moisturizer and hydrator treatment, but it's also tinted, so it makes for a quick look if you're just wanting something quick to go out of the house. So with this look, literally all I used was the Naked pressed pigment brown color. I put it on my lid and then I put it underneath and buffed it out to make some eyeshadow, and then I threw that lip on. And if you have blue eyes, brown is suggested as one of the most flattering shades to wear on your eye for your eye color. So that's definitely something that you should look into. Ooh, look at the mirror. Oh yeah, look at that shine. But let's do a thumbnail real quick because I haven't done that yet. Okay, I think I have enough options now. But yeah, that was my IPSY bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this review video. I have a lot of fun doing these IPSY bags because it's a lot of products I can review at once. I usually try to use the products for about a week before I make the video, just because I don't want to just do first impressions. I like to actually test the products out and let you know from a genuine perspective if I like it or not. But all of these products, I would give a thumbs up. They all worked really well for what they were supposed to do. The only one that I would kind of question is the brow pencil, just because I have no idea what I'm doing with it. So, anyways, thank you guys so much for staying tuned. If you stuck around for this whole video and you like what you saw, go ahead and give me a thumbs up to let me know. If you liked any of the products that you saw in the video, go ahead and let me know what you thought about them in the comments below. And if there's anything else you'd like to see me do, let me know in the comments below, because I would love to get suggestions from you guys. I'm always constantly looking for new things to review. Any of your suggestions below. And also, if you are not already, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see when I post videos every Wednesday at 3 p.m. Tap that bell to stay tuned. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for your love and support. Bye!